So here at Gears Do It Yourself Garage, we are not only servicing cars and trucks, we also help with servicing, working on motorcycles, ATVs, side-by-sides. For instance, here we have our bigger lift, which has the side skirts on. I recently had a golf cart on here. It would do four-wheelers, etc. Some razors I did find out are a little bit too wide, so we're working on that. At least to get on this lift, but we have other options. This one has the clamps in the front for the motorcycles. We can remove this back panel, work on the back suspension, back rear tires, etc. like that. We have other accessories up there on the floor where you can just jack the frame up and work on your motorcycle, whatever. Similar to this one, you jack up the frame of the motorcycle and work on it as you wish. If you don't want to use any of that, you just want a flat bay, we also have these other manual lifts that raise the front of the back of the bike, and you can work on it in your will. Toolboxes, tools come with it. And we also have special tools, specialty for bikes, for the chains, for lubing, different accessories specific for different bikes. And if you guys need any or want to request any, you can let us know and we'll make arrangements to get those special tools for your bike or ATVs. Thank you.